Hey guys, it's Judy here with my Life as Kikay. Welcome to today's swatch video. I'm going to be swatching for you guys the Warrior 2 eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place. Now this one is an all matte palette. The pans in this one are also quite large, very much like the Warrior 1 and the Warrior 3. I'm going to be swatching these ones for you guys in separate videos, which you will find on my channel. But for now, I'm going to be swatching the Warrior 2 palette for you guys. This one is $20 US available on the Juvia's Place website, or you can use coupon codes to save a little bit of extra dollars on your purchase. Anyway, without further ado, I'm going to be swatching this palette for you guys, and I'm also going to be using my finger to swatch these shades because I've found that that is the best way to get the best color payoff from these matte shades in the palette. It's also just easier to build it up with my finger rather than with a brush. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Before I get into it, like the video if you do, subscribe if you want to, and let's just jump straight into it.
When I see what I see, I just can't believe how our shortfalls can shape our motives, to turning our mistakes into our vultures. So if we eat or if we starve, we still gonna work and do a good ass job, cause we've come too far to let nights escape. It's that price we pay when we fight for days. Sun on his face, a glimmer in his eye. Blue blocks cocked, he's a little too high, no problem. You see, it all comes down to a tally of the minutes, the column evens out. So we sip something, have sex, and get money with a smile on the face, even though it's getting ugly. And we tipping up cups for the brainstorm meeting of the minds, which the meeting might rain more. London town or Portland, or keep that shit wet for the snappy Porsche, the cold-hearted. Emotions bogarted, the two-step rep just pays retarded. So who gon' love what they can't see? You got a vision, but it isn't one they want you to be. 91 style rap, I'm New Jack in the beat. Cold sipping on a cold 211 is cheap. So what? I sip that hard and go way harder. My liver's looking at me like I'm fucking his daughter. My 40's looking like he wants to kill him regardless. But we live another night just to fight in the morning. We patch the pain and mind the gap, the everyday struggle just to find that map. I sip up and lean back, toke up those greenbacks, mean a little something different to the people getting taxed. When I see what I see, I just can't believe how our shortfalls can shape our motives, to turning our mistakes into our vultures. So if we eat or if we starve, we still gonna work and do a good ass job, cause we've come too far to let nights escape. It's that price we pay when we fight for days.
Pragmatically approach, they all Warren Buffett it. Fraggle Rock, we get it in where the Muppets is. They play Gorgs, we ball beyond Borg. We are what we are, entrenched in our hordes. We live where we comfy, make believe that we live in bigger lives, but we love our little pumpkins. Lay up lines with the lies, no dunking. They don't like stunts cause the stunts are stunting.
No growth, no time, no coach. They wanna settle down with the check coupe coach. Leave a little better than they came nouveau, when they only needed drunken chicken noodles for the soul. Till that scale reads husky, the double XL tall polo rugby. I don't need it, I want it, I need days till I'm anywhere. One, I'll deliver, so have faith when the clock strikes. We gon' block that, we gon' sip something hard enough to put us on a eyes wide open with my mind on some change, and the nights go fast, so we fight for the day. When I see what I see, I just can't believe how our shortfalls can shape our motives, to turning our mistakes into our vultures. So if we eat or if we starve, we still gonna work and do a good ass job, cause we've come too far to let nights escape.
Those are the swatches in the Warrior 3 palette. As I was as I was patting my finger into these shades, I was really struck by just how soft and smooth these shades are. They feel so much more smooth than a lot of other matte shadows that I have had my finger in from the Juvia's Place palettes, like They're not necessarily bad, but these ones don't even have the slightest hint of chalkiness in them. And I think that Juvia's Place really thought about the formulation in this palette when they created these matte shades, because these matte shades are so stunning. They are so soft and smooth and buttery and blendable, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, thanks guys for watching today's video. I really appreciate that you have joined me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!